Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to watch movies on Netflix from other countries in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can follow all the steps. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to your web browser and search for netflix.com. And then click on sign in the top right, and you want to go and sign into your account. Once you've signed in and selected the profile, you can go ahead and close out your web browser or app. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to demonstrate that I am currently on the Philippines version of Netflix. But it's time to change that. So to change our Netflix region, all we need to do is use a premium VPN, also known as Virtual Private Network. The VPN we are going to be using today is called Private Internet Access. And so this VPN job is to change our online location to another country. And to do this, we'll need to select a VPN server. I need to select a server from any of the sequencers listed. So in this case, I'm going to be using the United States. And I'm going to be using US East Streaming Server, which is going to be used for streaming content specifically. Then let's click on the big power button, and within a few seconds, it's going to connect you to a server within that country. So now we're connected to the server. All we need to do is go back to our web browser, and you just need to hit refresh button at the top. And if it refreshes, you will successfully have the other version of Netflix. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.